Hi, my name is Elaine License, and this is my husband Donnie, and we own Lacombe Auto Service Centre in beautiful Lacombe, Alberta.
You may have known our business under its previous name, Two-Way Auto.
So here at Lacombe Auto we have a team of 10 employees. Many of them are long-term employees.
We actually have well over 100 years of experience in the automotive industry, which is pretty cool, having all that experience and all that knowledge under one roof.
So we've been evolving the shop this past year to upgrade our business processes and to bring in some cutting-edge auto repair technology, including offering digital inspections to our customers.
The industry is changing so fast, and to be a shop that can keep up, we have to change along with it.
We recently found out, very surprised, that we're being acknowledged by the industry. Cars Magazine, it's a national auto repair magazine in Canada, has awarded us Canada's Shop of the Year. We're very excited.
Yeah, it's a huge honor. It's truly a recognition of what we have, but also what we're building.